So our project aims to create a digital tool that will enable data acquisition, sizing and optimization of the operation of the mini-grids of FUNAE. To test it, we are going to integrate 10 mini-grids that FUNAE is already operating in the tool.
FUNAE faces challenges in several mini-grid related areas. For example, identifying the mini-grid location is time and resource consuming. Secondly, designing and sizing those mini-grids is not standardized. The operation and maintenance of the mini-grids, especially those that are located in the most remote areas, is also time and resource consuming and sometimes very difficult. And finally, reporting and evaluating the performance of these mini-grids is also difficult. So we are aiming at contributing to ease all those tasks for FUNAE in order to make easier the operation of mini-grids for rural electrification in Mozambique.
The support from AFD will allow us to, first of all, create the tool and test it, integrating the 10 mini-grids that we mentioned before. Then it will allow us to train the local personnel for hardware installation, but also for the integration into the software, so the creation of capacity building. Furthermore, the support from the Digital Energy Challenge will help us will help FUNAE actually to make the mini-grids more attractive to private operators. And finally, it will help us and FUNAE to prove the concept of this digital tool and show that it's a scalable product that will help FUNAE in their operation and in general mini-grid operators in the task of rural electrification and operation and maintenance of mini-grids.